Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? And wow, that is really bright. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is a new day, a new adventure. Today is day 3 technically, but kind of day 4. It is a beautiful day out, kind of contrasty, highlighty, but whatever. Today let's go into yesterday. I didn't really do much because I woke up so late. As you can see, I just got out of bed, and it is 3:30 p.m. But today is a new day, and yeah, let's get started. Fun fact of the day, I am trying this new coffee. It is supposed to be the boldest coffee that this company creates, and yeah, I'm looking to be wired today. That will be fun, because then you just get to see and be excited about everything you see. So that's one of the main reasons why I love coffee. You're just so excited about everything, and you're pumped, and you're motivated, and it's just a fun day once you have your coffee and it's like, woo! Let's have some more. So I'm gonna try this one and see what it's like. But now that I've done the dishes, it is officially time for an adventure. Woo! That was one of the first pastries I've had here in Italy, and it was pretty good. Wasn't sweet, so it was really good. It had good flavor, but I like a little bit more sweet, so I'm gonna try and find some the next time. That church was something that I've never seen before. The architecture, the just amazing sculptures and drawings on the wall were incredible. I would definitely recommend anyone going to Rome to see this church. I don't even know what it's called, but I will leave it probably as the title of this film, just because it was so spectacular. Definitely a must-see here in Rome, and yeah, let's head on to the Spanish Steps. So guys, I think this is a great time to end the vlog. I am sitting here on the Spanish Steps as the sun is setting. It is an amazing view. I've had an amazing day today, and Rome is blowing my mind. Can't get much better than that. So we will end it today, and I will see you tomorrow. And remember, just keep living life.